Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Zebronics Zeb JUDWAA 750 keyboard and mouse combo. Now, this is the top surface of the packaging where we can see what the keyboard mouse combo looks like. And they also have a couple of features which they'd like to highlight, namely that this comes with the Rupee key. So on the 4-number key on your keyboard, you can also get the rupee symbol, but for that you'll need to download a separate driver from the Zebronics website. Then the cable length happens to be 1.2 meters long. The mouse has a max DPI of 1200. It uses a high precision sensor and features an ergonomic design. The front has just the name of the product. The same goes for the back and the sides. And on this surface, we can see some of the same features being highlighted again over here. So both of the products use the USB interface. The keyboard has 104 keys. It is plug and play and uses durable switches. Then whereas the mouse has 3 buttons, is also plug and play, has an accurate optical sensor, and the cable length is 1.1 meters on the back. It is certified by the BIS agency, and you have the contact information as well as pricing details. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. You have the mouse on the right hand side, keyboard in the center. So this is what the keyboard looks like. It's a 104 key full-size keyboard with a proper numpad. You've got indicators, LED indicators for the caps lock, scroll lock, and the num lock. The chassis is quite small, you could say. It's very close to the actual keys, and the spacebar is slightly elongated and juts out from the bottom. The underside has rubber feet or rather plastic feet over here. Yeah, these are plastic. And they also have 2 elevated feet on the top side. And it uses a USB Type A interface, which is not gold plated. Then you have the mouse. As you can see, it's symmetric in design. You've got the left click, right click, and the scroll wheel button, which also doubles up as the 3rd button. On the underside, you have skid pads, or rather it is part of the body itself. This is for a slight elevation and ensuring that the mouse glides uniformly. And in the center is the sensor. The mouse also uses a USB Type A interface, and the port, or rather the connector, is not gold plated. So that's it for the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb JUDWAA 750 keyboard and mouse combo. Thank you for watching.